One thought of a day. Life cannot be changed in a minute, but a decision made in a minute can change everything. Life cannot be changed in a minute, but a decision made in a minute can change everything. Once there was a blind girl had a boyfriend who she loved dearly, was always there for her. She would say many times that she would marry him if only she could see the world. One day, by a miracle or the greatest power of science, she was finally able to see everything. This made possible through a kind donation. Her dream came true. She could now see her boyfriend. He asked her to marry him as that was her promise. Then girl was shocked to discover that her boyfriend was also blind. She refused to marry him and broke his heart. He walked away in tears. The girl later discovered that her boyfriend was the donor, and with the donation, he lost his sight. Before you take any decision, think wisely. So, life cannot be changed in a minute, but a decision made in a minute can change everything. Thank you. Have a great day.